Green Technology, an A to Z Guide, is a comprehensive reference book edited by Dustin Mulvaney, providing a detailed overview of the latest green technologies and their applications. The book is organized alphabetically, covering a wide range of topics related to green technology. The book begins with an introduction to the concept of green technology and its importance in addressing the urgent challenges of climate change and environmental degradation. It then proceeds to cover a wide range of topics related to green technology, including alternative energy, covers a range of renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power, providing an overview of their history, current applications, and potential for the future. Biofuels, covers different types of biofuels, including ethanol, biodiesel, and biogas, providing information on their production, environmental benefits, and potential limitations. Clean water technologies, covers various technologies used to treat and purify water, including desalination, membrane filtration, and ultraviolet disinfection. Electric vehicles, covers the history, current state, and future potential of electric vehicles, including battery technology, charging infrastructure, and the impact of electric vehicles on the environment. Green buildings, covers various strategies and technologies used to improve the energy efficiency of buildings, including insulation, smart lighting, and heating and cooling systems. Sustainable agriculture, covers various sustainable agriculture practices, including organic farming, crop rotation, and conservation tillage. Waste management, covers various technologies used to reduce, reuse, and recycle waste, including composting, recycling, and waste-to-energy technologies. The book also covers the economic and social aspects of green technology, including its impact on job creation, international trade, and environmental justice. The entries are written by leading experts in the field, making the book a reliable and authoritative source of information. Overall, Green Technology, an A to Z Guide, is a valuable resource for anyone interested in learning about the latest advances in green technology and how they can help address the urgent challenges of climate change and environmental degradation. The book is well organized, easy to read, and provides a comprehensive overview of the various green technologies currently available.